Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Easy Maths with Amna, where we will solve exercise 4.3. Question number 1, focusing on finding the highest common factor by factorization method. The factorization method involves breaking down each expression into the prime factors and then identify the common ones. सिंपल मीन्स सिंपल स्टेटमेंट में आप कह सकते हैं कि हम हर एक्सप्रेशंस को प्राइम फैक्टराइज करेंगे. आफ्टर डूइंग द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ ईच फैक्टर्स ईच एक्सप्रेशन वी जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स इन एवरी एक्सप्रेशन एंड वी गेट द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. Let's tackle the part 1, 21x square y, 35x y square. We have two expressions in this question. Take each expression at a time. 21x square y. Prime factorize it. इसकी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. 21 की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या होती है? 3 × 7 वी गेट 21. एक्स स्क्वायर की प्राइम एक्स स्क्वायर को लिख देंगे x × x × y. दिस वी डन द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन. नाउ फॉर द सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन विच इज 35xy square. 35 की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है 5 × 7 मल्टीप्लाई सिंगल x term and single y term. After doing the prime factorization of both expression, highest common factors is the common factor between these two expressions. 3 and 5 not common, 7 common. This 7 both common. Take this 7 common outside. This 1x term common in both. Take this x. This 1y term common in both. Take this y common outside. 7 × x × y, we get 7xy, and this is our required answer of the first part. Second part, we have to do the same method to find the highest common factor between these two expressions. Just simply we need to factorize each term one by one. After prime factorization of each expression, we have to find out the common factor between these two expressions. First, we take the first expression 4x square minus 9y square. जब हमारे पास स्क्वेयर्स की टर्म आती हैं तो हम कोशिश करते हैं हम इसको इस फार्मूले में a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर के फार्मूले में चेंज कर दें, सो डैट वी कैन स्प्लिट इट इनटू a माइनस b a मल्टीप्लाई a प्लस b. ऐसे क्वेश्चन में फैक्टराइजेशन के लिए हम ये फार्मूला यूज़ करते हैं. तो इसको स्प्लिट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 9y स्क्वायर चेंज इनटू 4 2 का स्क्वायर होता है. स्क्वायर कॉमन बाहर निकालते हैं. पहली वाली टर्म में से हमने कॉमन बाहर निकाला. 4 is 2 raised to power 2 और x स्क्वायर का कॉमन बाहर, सो दैट इट बिकम a स्क्वायर माइनस 9y स्क्वायर. 9 is 3 square और y. Take their square common outside. After doing this, it become a square minus b square formation. After making the a square minus b square formation, we are going to open it. हम इस फार्मूले को ओपन कर देंगे. a minus b और a plus b, where a value is 2x and b value is 3y. तो आप इसको ओपन फॉर्म में लिख दें. 2x, a की वैल्यू 2x माइनस b की वैल्यू 3y. नाउ a की वैल्यू 2x प्लस साइन, b की वैल्यू 3y. By just doing these three easy steps, we do the factorization of the first expression. Now, for the second expression, 2x square minus 3xy. फैक्टराइजेशन करने के लिए हम देखेंगे कि इसका कोई मेथड अप्लाई हो रहा है. इसमें से सिर्फ हम कॉमन थिंग्स बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. इफ़ वी टेक द x कॉमन फ्रॉम बोथ टर्म्स, हम इन दोनों टर्म में से टर्म 1 और टर्म 2 में से x को कॉमन बाहर निकाल देंगे. फर्स्ट टर्म में से व्हेन वी टेक द x कॉमन आउटसाइड, वी लेफ्ट 2x इनसाइड माइनस साइन. And from the second term, when we take the x common outside, we left minus 3y inside. After doing only one single step, we do the prime factorization of the second expression. Now, make the comparison between the first and the second expression. The common thing factor is 2x minus 3y in both. So, highest common factor of this question is 2x minus 3y. And this is our required answer. Now, we solve the third part. First expression is a cube minus 1. And the second expression is x square plus x plus 1. For finding the highest common factor, let's take the first expression x cube minus 1. When we take the first expression, we see that this is the cube power. So can we use the formula a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. हम इसको इस क्यूबिक फार्मूले में चेंज करेंगे और फिर इसकी ओपन फॉर्म में लिख देंगे. बाय डूइंग दिस वी गेट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. हम इसको इस फार्मूले में a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब में चेंज करते हैं. a क्यूब माइनस 1, एक्स क्यूब को क्यूब माइनस 1 को भी क्यूब की फॉर्मेशन में लिख सकते हैं. ये सब हमने इसलिए किया सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज इनटू a क्यूब एंड माइनस b क्यूब. एज वी नो दैट 1 क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 मल्टीप्लाई 1 विच इज इक्वल टू 1. तो हम 1 को 1 क्यूब लिख सकते हैं और अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के मुताबिक हमने क्वेश्चन को इसमें चेंज कर लिया क्यूबिकल फार्मूले की फॉर्म में. देन आफ्टर चेंजिंग दिस first expression into the difference of the cube formula, Now where a value is x and b value is 1, so substitute in this right hand side. आप इसको इस साइड में substitute कर दें. a value is x and b value is 1, it's become x minus 1. a square means x square plus ab means x multiply 1. b square means 1 square. Now simplify the second bracket, it's become x square plus x multiply 1 x and 1 square 1. Now we take the second term which is x square plus x plus 1. As we see it manually, there is nothing common in these three terms. इन तीनों terms में कुछ भी common नहीं है. And also we can't do the prime factorization. Also we can't do the midterm breaking method भी इसमें amplify नहीं हो रहा, तो means that ये prime factorization की form में ही है. अगर आप कंपैरिजन करें इसका फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन के आंसर से और सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन को, तो दोनों में कॉमन फैक्टर हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1. द कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1. सो आर हाइएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर बाय यूजिंग द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1, एंड दिस इज आर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. नाउ वी टैकल द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 4 part. In this question we have two expression, and by using these two expression we have to find the highest common factor by using the factorization method. Let us take the first expression and factorize it. A cube plus 2a square minus 3a. As we see that a is common in first, second and third term, so we take the a common. When we take the a common from the first term, we left a square inside. When we take the a common from the second term, we left plus 2a inside. And when we take the a common from the third term minus 3a, we left minus 3 inside. After taking the a common, we are going to use the midterm breaking method for the further factorization process. Midterm breaking method is take the coefficient of the first term which is 1 and the constant 3. 1 multiply 3 we get 3. Now make the factors of it. 1 multiply 3 we get the 3. We have only two factors of 3. Make it as a pair in which we get the middle term. Change into the middle term. Means 3 minus 1 we get 2. So we are going to break the middle term. First term remains same, a square. Break the middle term, 3a minus a, now minus 3. We break the middle term by using that factors, 3a minus a. In the next term, from the first two terms we are going to take the a common. When we take the a common, from the first term we left a inside. From the second term when we take the a common, we left 3 inside. Now we have to take the common thing from the third and the fourth factor in such a way that we get the a plus 3 inside. Means that we are going to take minus 1 common. When we take the minus 1 common from this third term, we left a inside. It is a rule of mathematics. When we take the common minus outside and multiply inside, it will change the side. जब हम इसमें से minus 1 common लिया, it become positive है. And minus 3 is because of minus 3 के factors क्या, 1 multiply 3. When we take the minus 1 common outside, we left plus 3 inside. In the next step again, we have a plus 3 common in both terms. Take the a plus 3 common. When we take a plus 3 common from the first term, we left a inside. And from the second term, when we take the a plus 3 common, we left minus 1 inside. And by doing this, we just take the a common factor. Then we use the midterm breaking, and taking the common factor outside, we done the factorization of the first expression. Now, do the prime factorization of the second expression. 2a cube plus 5a square. 2a cube plus 5a square minus 3a. A is common in all three terms. Take the a common first. We left 2a square. From the second term when we take the a common, we left 5a. From the third term when we take the a common, we left minus 3. After taking the a common outside, we are going to use the midterm breaking method for the factorization of this part. What is the midterm breaking method? Take the coefficient of the first part and the last term. 2 multiply 3 with 6, we get 6. Make the factors of 6. 1 multiply 6, 2 multiply 3, 6. After making the pair factors of the 6, we have to take one factor which given as the 5a. Means that plus 6 minus 1 we get 5a. So we are going to break the middle term. 2a square, first term remains same. Middle term is plus 6a minus 1a. Minus 3 now the last term. Next step, we are going to take the common thing outside from the first and the second term. When we see that a is common, 2a is common. When we take the 2 common from the first term and 1a common from the first term, we left 1a inside. Plus, from the second term, 6 is the multiple of 2 multiply 3. When we take the 2 common outside, it left 3 inside. And a common outside. Minus Now from the third and the fourth term we have to take the common term like that pattern that we get a plus 3 inside. हमें इस तरह कॉमन लेना है कि हमारे पास अंदर a plus 3 ही बचे. Means when we take the minus 1 common outside from the third and the fourth term, minus 1 common, it become positive a. Minus 1 common from the 3 we get positive 3. In the next step we are going to take the a plus 3 common outside from these two terms. A plus 3 common, इन दोनों में से a प्लस 3 कॉमन है, इसको कॉमन बाहर निकाल लेंगे एंड वी लेफ्ट 2a. फर्स्ट टर्म में से a प्लस 3 कॉमन निकला, वी लेफ्ट 2a. सेकंड टर्म में से a प्लस 3 कॉमन निकला, वी लेफ्ट -1 इनसाइड. आफ्टर डूइंग द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन, हमें इसमें और इसके दोनों के कंपैरिजन को एक्सप्रेशंस को कंपैरिजन करना है और हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर फाइंड करने के लिए कॉमन फैक्टर जब निकाल लें. व्हाट इज द कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन दीज टू एक्सप्रेशन? a इज कॉमन in both factor, so write a plus 3 common, so bracket a plus 3 is common in both. This is our required answer. Number 1, fifth part, we have now 3 expression. This is the first expression, t square minus 3t minus 4. Is there any term common in first, second and third term? No. Just we are going to use the midterm breaking method. For midterm breaking method, take the coefficient of the first term and the constant of last term. 1 multiply 4, we get 4. Make the factors of 4, 1 and 4, and 2 multiply 2, 4. Now choose the pair which given as the middle term minus 3t. Means minus 4 plus 1 we get minus 3. So we are going to break the middle term. Write the first term t square. Middle term minus 3t is minus 4t plus 1t. Then the last term minus 4. Now after breaking the middle term, take the t common from the first and the second term. First और second term में से t common ले लेंगे. When we take the t common from the first term, we left t inside. When we take the t common from the second term, we left minus 4 inside. Plus, from the third and the fourth term, we are going to take 1 common. When we take the 1 common from the third term, we left t. And when we take the 1 common from the fourth term, we left minus 4 inside. And at this part, t minus 4 both common in both this and this term. Take the that t minus 4 common outside. From the first term, when we take the t minus 4 common, we left t inside. And when from the second term we take the t minus 4 common, we left plus 1 inside. And by doing the midterm breaking method, we do the factorization of the first expression. Now take the second expression, t square plus 5t plus 4. Second expression is t square plus 5t plus 4. Nothing is common in these three terms, so we are going to use the midterm breaking method. Midterm breaking method, again I am repeating, take the coefficient of the first term and the constant of the last term. 1 multiply 4, again we get 4. Make the factors of 4, 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. Now break the middle term. As we did, we get 5t. 1 plus 4, we get the middle term 5t. So we are going to break the middle term 14 into 4t plus 1t. And the last term plus 4. After breaking the middle term, take the t common from the first two term. Take the t common. T common from the first term, we left t inside. T common from the second term, we left 4 inside. Plus, now from the third and the fourth term, we have to take the common thing outside. Like that pattern, we get t plus 4 inside the bracket. Take just 1 common. From the third term, we left t. Plus sign. When we take the 1 common from 4, 4 is factor of 1 multiply 4. When we take the 1 common outside, we left 4. Next step, we are going to take t plus 4 common from both term. T plus 4 common. First term में से t plus 4 common निकाला, we left t. This t. From the second term, when we take the t plus 4 common, we left plus 1 inside. By doing the midterm breaking method, we get the factorization of this second part. Now take the third expression, t square minus 1. Third expression is t square minus 1. We don't have the middle term, so as we see that we can change into a square minus b square formula. After changing into a square minus b square, we are going to split into a minus b, multiply a plus b. So let's take the expression t square minus 1. Change the t into take the square out. Minus and change that 1 into 1 square according to our requirement for changing into that formula form. After doing this step, a square minus b square we get, where a value is t and b value is 1. So open it. A value is t and b value is 1, t minus 1. A value is t plus 1. Now by using the a square minus b square formula, we do the factorization method of t square minus 1 third expression. After doing the factorization of first, second and third expression, make the comparison between them. What is the common? T plus 1 common in the first and the second expression, and it is also common in the third expression. So means the highest common factor between these three expressions is t plus 1. First expression t plus 1, second expression t plus 1 and third expression t plus 1. So highest common factor between these three expressions is t plus 1, and this is our required answer. This part we have to find the highest common factor between these three expressions. Let us take the first expression, x square plus 15x plus 56. Again we have three terms, so we are going to use the middle term breaking method. Take the coefficient of the first term 1 and the constant of last term 56. Multiply it. 1 multiply 56, we get 56. Now we are going to make the factors of the 56. 56 के फैक्टर्स बनाएंगे. 1 मल्टीप्लाई 56. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लगता है तो यूज योर कैलकुलेटर. 56 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, we get 2 and 28. Next factor 2 and 28. 56 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 मीन्स पूरा डिवाइड नहीं होता तो 3 इसका फैक्टर नहीं है. 56 डिवाइडेड बाई 4, 14 मीन्स 4 मल्टीप्लाई 14 वी गेट 56. 56 5 पे डिवाइड नहीं होता तो 6 पे डिवाइड करेंगे. 6 पे भी पूरा डिवाइड नहीं होता. ऑन 7 टेबल 7 मल्टीप्लाई 8 56. 7 मल्टीप्लाई 8 56. हमने 56 के फैक्टर्स बना लिए. आफ्टर मेकिंग द फैक्टर्स इन द पेयर फॉर्म ऑफ 56, नाउ वी हैव टू टेक अ पेयर विच गिवन इज द मिडल टर्म प्लस 15. व्हेन वी सी दैट 7 and 8, 7 plus 8 we get 15x, so we are going to break the middle term 15x into 7x plus 8x. First term remains same, x square, 15x into 7x plus 8x, then the last term 56. Now take the x common from the first two terms. When we take the x common from the first two term, from the first term when we take the x square common, we left x inside. From the second term when we take the x common outside, we left 7 inside. Plus, now from the third and the fourth term, we have to take the common thing outside. Like that pattern, we get x plus 7 inside. When we take 8 common from the third and the fourth term, 8 common from the third term, we left x inside. 56 is 7 multiply 8. When we take the 8 common, we left 7 inside. Again in the next step, we are going to take x plus 7, both common in both term, take it outside, x plus 7. When we take the x plus 7 common from the first term, we left x. And from this term when we take the x plus 7, we left plus 8 inside. After doing the midterm breaking method, we get the prime factorization of the first expression. Now do the factorization of the second part, which is x square plus 5x minus 24. Again we are going to use the middle term breaking method. Take the coefficient of the first part and the constant of last part 24, it becomes 24. Make the factors of 24. 1 and 24, 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, 3 and 8, 3 8s are 24. After making the pairs of this 24 factors, we have to find out the pair which given as the middle term 5x. 3 and 8, we are going to break the middle term. How? It becomes 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, we get 5x. So we are going to break the middle term. First term remains same. Middle term we are going to break 8x minus 3x minus 24. After breaking the middle term, take the x common from the first and the second term. When we take the x common from the first term, we left x inside. When we take the x common from the second term, we left 8 inside. Minus sign. Now we are going to take the 3 common. Minus 3 common from the third and the fourth term. When we take minus 3 common from the third term, we left x inside. When we take the minus 3 common from minus 24. Minus 24 is 3 multiply 8. When we take minus 3 common, it becomes positive. And 3 common from that, we get 8 left inside. In the next step, we are going to take x plus 8 common outside. After taking x plus 8 common outside, we left x in first term. And in this term, we left minus 3. This is the factorization by using the midterm breaking method of the second expression. Now take the third expression. Third expression is x square plus 8. Third expression is x square plus 8x. Only 2 terms, so we are going to take the x common only from the first and the second term. पहली term में से भी x common ले लेंगे, we left x, and the second term में से भी x common लेंगे, we left 8 inside. And this is the factorization of the third expression. Now make the comparison between the result of the first, second and third expression. This is the first expression result, this is the second expression result, and this is the third expression result. After doing the comparison between, take the common factor outside. Only x plus 8. Only x plus 8 is common in all these 3 expressions. So highest common factor between these 3 expressions is x plus 8, and this is our required answer. These questions are very simple questions. Just the key factor is factorize each expression completely and identify the common factor between the expression. We get our highest common factor in our result. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Easy Maths with Amna for more maths hacks. Allah Hafiz.